Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our 4 apples by cutting them into bite-sized pieces. I like to make them about an inch in size. Not too big, not too small. Remember to remove all the seeds and core completely. A quick tip: if you're worried about browning, you can toss the cut pieces in a bit of the lemon juice we'll be using later. Now, take your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and melt it in a medium saucepan over medium heat. You want the butter to melt completely and just start to bubble, but be careful not to let it brown. You'll know it's ready when the butter is completely clear and you see tiny bubbles forming around the edges. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Add all your apple pieces to the melted butter and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Give them a gentle stir to coat them evenly in the butter. You'll start to notice a wonderful aroma as the apples begin to warm up. This short cooking time helps the apples start releasing their natural juices. Here comes the fun part. We're adding all our flavorings at once. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/3 cup of apple cider, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a pinch each of nutmeg and sea salt. Stir everything together until the brown sugar starts dissolving. You'll see a beautiful syrupy sauce starting to form. Now cover the pan and let everything simmer for about 10-15 minutes. This is where the magic happens. You'll know the apples are ready when you can easily pierce them with a fork. They should be tender, but still hold their shape. If they're not quite there, give them a few more minutes. Once your apples are perfectly tender, you can serve them either warm or cold. They're absolutely delicious both ways. The sauce should be slightly thickened and glossy. If it seems too thin, let it simmer uncovered for a few minutes. If it's too thick, you can add a splash more apple cider. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.